नमस्ते ट्रेडर, आप सबका स्वागत है आफ्टर आवर्स विद बेरीज। बैंक निफ्टी ने बजट डे पे जो रैली सॉरी जो रेंज बनाई, वो अभी एक बहुत बहुत ही वाइटल रोल प्ले करने वाली है। मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू जबरदस्ती पुट अ सेटअप कि ये बन रहा है वो बन रहा है। फॉर मी इट्स ये 2 दिन तो आज आप देख ही रहे हो साइडवेज है। जो हुआ है वो बात करने में कोई मतलब नहीं, पर जो हो सकता है प्रोबेबल सिनेरियोज है is that I will now, for me to as an option buyer, तो for sure. In fact, time for Gandhar to make money. This the bigger range will play out. लोग बोलते रहेंगे कि इतनी बड़ी रेंज है, नहीं होगा, इसमें से निकल जाएगा। ऐसा नहीं होता है, और रेंज रेंज होती है, कितनी भी बड़ी हो। अगर आप देख रहे हैं, ये मदर कैंडल के अंदर ही है और ये तो और टाइटर होते जा रहा है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो और लाइक और टाइट ने तो वो ही रेंज में नहीं रह सकता। तो फॉर मी, बैंक निफ्टी इज अ कंप्लीट अवॉइड। आई एम नॉट लाइक there is no point in making any assumptions or predictions in Bank Nifty. So I'm going to leave it at that. I've marked my zone. If the range breaks out on the either side, I will still not take a trade. I will wait, let a day go by. In fact, a daily closing, because such big ranges, traps are easy to be made. Because when a range is small, the trap, such big ranges, imagine, because this is a lot of points to be captured. ये रेंज नहीं है, ये पूरा एक 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 पूरे महीने का प्रॉफिट लॉस अगर एक लॉट से भी करोगे आप, it's I don't know how much money, it's in lakhs in even with one lot if you do futures. Moving on to Nifty, because I see something happening in Nifty better than this, the Bank Nifty is, let me see again here. This was the supply zone. Again supply zone के ऊपर liquidity hunt आ गया नीचे. अभी now these are the new levels I have marked. Let me show you. दिस लेवल आई मार्क। ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब आप बोलेगे अब मैं लो पकड़ के ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, नहीं, ये जब भी लो बना उसके अगले दिन ड्रॉ किया है मैंने। मतलब प्रिडिक्ट नहीं किया था, ये लो बना और मेरे को एक कॉन्फ्लुएंस मिला कि ये कैंडल का भी लो इधर है, इसलिए फिर मैंने मार्क किया। तो अभी इफ वी चेंज टू 60 आर्ली, यस, सो यस, फॉर नाउ अगेन रेंज तो इधर भी है, बट इन निफ्टी समवेयर आई सी दिस हैपनिंग। इफ यू गाइस कैन सी a VCP kind of pattern, like a cup and handle, है ना? So for me, here a little bias more towards the upside, but only again, I will wait for a day to close above this because there are supplies above, है ना? There are no open skies for the price to go. So, how do you undo in trading view?
Same, Control Z.
Control that, okay. Okay, yeah. So my this supply zone is valid. I will wait. I will in fact wait for the price to come here on the downside and find a liquidity hunt happening. That I would then go long for sure. But till then, I'm just on wait and watch. I think Gandhar as a seller, because these are ranges, as a seller should put on more perspective on the index today. Do you have any selling ranges that you've defined?
Yeah, the range that you mentioned is definitely what I'm watching. But again, I usually don't just look at index charts. I also look at India VIX along with it.
Rix?
And the problem right now that I see in making a proper view is that VIX is again at its very close to its all-time low. So अगर यहाँ से VIX बढ़ता है तो generally with sharp rising VIX we see a down move. And put that together with the fact that index is at a supply zone, if we get a few I don't know, a few weeks of even moderate volatility, say 15, 16, 17 range of volatility, index will remain sideways or possibly correct to even 17,350 level that you had mentioned. In fact, we have been talking about for quite some time, so we can see that once again. That is my view. But it is a little difficult. You said there are ranges and it could be easier for option players, sellers especially, but since the premiums are once again so low that it becomes a really risky proposition to take any positional trades, at least when you're not even compensated for the risk much.
I think when you said this, no, I just as because I used to love to play cricket. I think these are the times when you just to leave the ball, I guess. It's
Yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
nobody.
Yes, yes, yes. This is where the ball is coming at 150, 160. So unless
Yeah,
it's,
you just leave it.
yeah, unless it's on your stumps, you let it go to wicketkeeper's hands. These are those kind of markets. Uh,
But only and for that only and that is only 1% succeed, and that was Tendulkar. Like
yeah,
coming to the whole trading,
yeah, yeah,
and we
yeah.
are not Tendulkars,
No,
nowhere
no, no,
close to being Tendulkar.
no,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no. And he possibly played better cricket in his, I don't know, when he was 6 or 7 that I played today. So that's a different story.
yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
That's for indices. Yesterday I had mentioned USD INR and it looks like USD INR might turn down from here. Can we just see its chart once so that I'll just update our viewers regard. Don't go in forex. That works. USD INR IDC. Yes. So in daily time frame, in weekly, yeah, it has taken a week. Even in daily
Sorry,
time
sorry.
frame, yeah, it has taken a week. The same story in daily. The wick has formed because of today's candle only. So those of you who like candlestick patterns, this is a candlestick pattern Marubozu Doji Marubozu candle. So
Oh,
uh,
this is a textbook Marubozu.
yeah, it is. It is. It's still forming. 11 hours for it to close yet, but
Yeah.
but yeah. So my view is right, but the price did not rise to the level I was hoping it would. I was thinking it might touch 83, but I think today's MPC meet caused it to correct rupee to strengthen a little. So yeah, today was an RBI policy meet, nothing significant. Interest rates have risen by 25 basis points or 0.25 percentage. Uh, our governor says banks are in a good position, healthy liquidity position all around the liquidity, and the focus remains to reduce the accommodative stance. What that translates into is still interest rates may not have peaked. They are still looking at inflation, and if it at any point in time, if RBI feels that inflation is rising faster than what their target is, they will step in. They will induce liquidity measures. They might even increase the interest rates again. So that is a quick summary of the RBI policy meet today. Shall we head over to stocks then?
Yeah.
So the first stock I think we should go to is Reliance, and Reliance has been underperforming for the past, I don't know, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks though for sure.
Yeah.
And now once again today at least we saw Reliance taking a really good support from the level that you see on the chart, and this level has been marked in the Kshitij's chart, even in my chart, for quite some time. Mind you, I am already in Reliance, so I did not enter again. In fact, I reduced my position 2 days back. So in hindsight, not the greatest of the decisions, but what risk management calls for we do. Uh, I think Kshitij was saying, Kshitij, you will enter at tomorrow's even a small retracement, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In fact, if it doesn't break the high and open and
Mm-hmm.
gives like a dip, I'm surely going positionally long in futures Reliance, and it's outside my risk appetite, but I'm willing to take this trade because now it's on my level, and I
Mm-hmm.
should have, in fact, I should have acted on the level way before.
Mm-hmm.
I act a little late, but somewhere this candle now, if you're a confirmation trader, so this is a confirmation that they look for.
Yes.
So any entry, I think, let me see in an hourly chart. Yeah, any entry near 23 40 also will do. I will not wait for the exact level. 2340 let me mark this level so we can again give a update tomorrow. Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah. So this is somewhere if I get a opening, I hope it doesn't open like way up.
Yeah, that in fact Reliance is one, but even IT sector today has bounced by quite a lot. So I think this put together with IT sector momentum, we might actually see Nifty opening gap up tomorrow instead of my sort of a cautious view. So I could be wrong there as well. But yeah, Nifty IT, yeah, there it is. And today it has given a,
Oh,
yeah, it's another one of the patterns. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm so sorry. I keep toggling, no?
No, I saw the pattern. I realized you would be a better person to discuss this then.
Yeah, and also You remember I asked you to buy IT. I've been yelling, buy ITBs, I buy
Hmm.
ITBs, this stock. And yeah, I am sitting on it. I have bought it at like somewhere here. I think this dip, I think I bought it. I was telling people here only, but
Hmm.
that time I had no surplus funds because I buy ETFs only when I have surplus funds. Because you need to park them, no, like
Hmm.
forget about them. But I'm pretty sure I bought it here. And yeah, again, so why Gandhar asked me to explain this is so yeah. Now this is a very very good breakout pattern,
Hmm.
and there's a trend line support. Now any move above 31,200, let's give it a little buffer.
Hmm.
I'm pretty sure we can see this gap getting filled.
Yes. Yes. And
So IT sector and the USD INR confirmation. If
hmm.
we get
Hmm.
a bearish Marabozu forming.
No, generally, if rupee weakens, IT sector goes up. So
Sorry. Oh, it's negatively correlated. Oh,
yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
in
Sorry, sorry.
fact,
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
fact, purely on technical basis, if one takes both the trades, in theory, you are hedged. If you are short USD INR and if you are long Nifty IT, you are hedging your
Yeah,
risk in one way.
yeah,
So
I went into the pair trade. Yeah, you
yeah,
should
yeah.
long this and short
Yeah,
USD INR.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So I think we can do that. One lot of USD INR would be $1,000, so about 80,000 rupees worth of ITBs, and one lot of USD INR should give you a reasonable risk adjusted trade. I will
Let's keep this straight for tomorrow. Yeah.
yeah, I will keep an eye on that. I most of the sectors have closed in green. This has happened, I think, after probably couple of weeks. All the sectors are in green, including metal and all. Metal, I'm guessing mostly because of short covering rally. Mind you, most of the large results are already done. So whatever the result related volatility had to happen in the market has already happened. So here on out, I'm thinking this is again a very conflicting signal. The result related volatility is over and volatility is at an all time low. So do I uh, do I go long? Do I go short?
You know what? An exit, like I don't know. We've never shown this. Check your Telegram. I've just send you something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It's the market breadth.
Yeah.
This graph I have, which
Yes.
also shows if we really bottoming out or from here we can. And now that I see the chart,
Mm-hmm.
it's you're looking pretty bullish now.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. So market bread
Yeah,
also might be signaling that we have
yeah,
bottomed
and it's
out.
a personal tool, and I think we shouldn't show it because it's a personal tool.
Yeah, it is, but well, this is one snapshot you get, and this is the oh, sorry,
Yeah,
I did not mean to do that. How did I call?
no, that's okay, that's okay.
Huh,
I called by mistake.
oh, that's okay. So, yeah, these are the kind of tools that we use, and we usually don't show them because these are mostly for our personal use. And I mean, charging a subscription and giving these tools is not really worth the effort that it will take.
And it's not rocket science. It's market breadth. All the books have everything on it.
Yeah, yeah. If you go, anyone who has patience to read a technical analysis book beyond the first half of it will find strategies like this.
Yeah, yeah,
Fact.
yeah.
Those of you staying in Mumbai, go to Fort. You will find technical analysis ka books everywhere on the footpath for 300, 400, 500 bucks. Pick one, read end to end, and you won't need to rely on anyone else's analysis really for trading in the market. You generally one book is enough. And I'll probably put a link to one in the description of this video as well if you're too lazy to go to Fort or you're not in Mumbai.
Yeah. And
So
when he says, and if you're not from Mumbai, he's not asking you to climb a fort. It's a place in
yeah,
Mumbai.
it's an area where there was a fort when Britishers were in Mumbai in
Yeah,
ye olden days.
yeah. And let's not get there because we both can rant about such things and
Oh
go to
yeah.
a very different topic.
Yes, yes, yes. We are already at 15 minutes mark in our show. So
Are you
shall
serious?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Shall we wrap up? Yes. So guys, thanks for tuning into After Hours with Bereez. This was Kshitij and Gandhar. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.